Hi guys, thanks for coming back to the channel, Stealthline. It'd be great if you'd like and subscribe. This is just a quick video of picking up the 1150GS, something I've always wanted, and yeah, just keep up to date everything I'm doing on it. The VRS went, it was a shame really, there's loads of little niggly bits that I did to it. I didn't document, didn't record them, so it is what it is. Now it's onto the bike scene. I'm looking forward to get some miles done on the proper original Tourer, a nice old twin air-cooled, oil-cooled, just absolute beast of a machine that'll just collect the miles, and fingers crossed I can get some decent footage and yeah, build a bit more of a community on everything like this. And if you have an 1150GS, drop me a message, just be like, oh well, this is an issue, that's an issue, keep up to date with this, keep up to date with that. So in the future, it's at the moment video we're just picking it up. In the future videos it will be servicing, obviously 2050s and stuff like that people have told me to do, doing the valve clearances and bits and bobs, everything. I don't have a workshop. I have opportunity to use a workshop, but on a vehicle like this it would be nice to just be able to do it on the side of the road and do things dead super simple, because that's the type of machine it is. So peace out, enjoy, like and subscribe, appreciate it, man. Like nearly 100 subscribers, which is crazy. This is like, all I do is just upload shit. So yeah, peace out, man. So here we are on the road and we are heading through Wrexham. So we just touched the outskirts of Wrexham. We've got 132 miles to go. I know, straight off the cuff, as always, on every single video I do. So what we're doing today is, it's another update for the channel really. The Octavia VRS. Yeah, no videos on the channel for it at all. Did a few bits of work on it, and then yeah, it went. I just didn't have time to do anything in regards to doing the videos, editing it, and stuff like that. Oh, that's a nice little photo. Rude boy. He's got his elf bar standard polo procedures. So we're heading down to Swansea today to look at a motorbike. Yeah, we're looking at a GS. So the R1150GS, and it's the same style. It's the same one, apart from. No, it's the same one that Hugh McGregor and Charlie lads went around the world on. Apart from they did it on GSA. This is a GS model. The A Adventure kit had a bigger fuel tank, better travel and suspension, so it's pretty much the same bike, apart from not as hardcore. Do you want more? So we're travelling down to Swansea today. It's me and Jibs Travels. This guy here on the coffee straight away, first thing in the morning. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. We're going to go pick up a proper decent bit of kit for the channel, something to get a bit more obsessed on, because the VRS was amazing, but it was winter time and the little niggly bits needed doing. I didn't get the camera out, didn't do it, blah blah blah. Sold it to someone that's going to look after it, which is nice to hear. Yeah, so waffled on a little bit. Let's go have a look at this BMW R1150GS. Let's see what we're up against now. Yeah, peace out.
Hey guys, he's left his camera in the car. I'm currently driving, and yeah, he's got his bike. Don't know I'm doing this. He's following me. Go back to his. Show you the rear view mirror. There he is.
Oh, here we go. Hopefully I haven't got much wind noise off this. Like I say, everything's off the cuff yet again. But we picked the GS up. Look at that, a new one for the channel. I need to get my hand stuck on. So I'm quite lucky with this. It's got 76k on it. The guy's a second hand, when he got it had about 11k on it. This has been Morocco 8 times. Been to Turkey, Senegal, all over the place. And the guy's like loads of history about it, this, that and that. And you know when you look at a bike or something to purchase, the thing is this originally had a silver tank on. It started to corrode quite heavily on the inside, so we changed the tank. And doing so, we changed all the fairings to white plastic. So it's like fair play to it, not really a mismatch. It's a bit crusty around the edges, but you'd expect that for the mileage and where you've been. And like the battery, for instance, is an Optima yellow AGM battery. It's got a Remus exhaust fitted to it, K&N, so it's all, you know what I mean, it's all got the panniers on the back as well, which are all at the moment in Jib's car, so he's following me back. It's about 160 miles back. Little things like this. Look at that, that's a lockable oil cap, because people could just unscrew it in the original one, so he's put a lockable one on there for safety, just because he's out and about. But yeah, It's got like twin charge stations at the front. I mean, even the heated grips, the standard heated grips on it work. I mean, these grips are a bit corroded, but he has done a hell of a lot of miles. But yeah, not much I can say at the moment. There's a few tickety-tacketies, but that's what you get. Probably valve clearance issues. I need to get on top of that. But yeah, no cat on it. It runs an absolute dream of a machine to have. It's one of the first big bikes I've had, and I thought I want to go to Aura style. So I really don't have much footage in regards to me riding at the moment. It's just thought to pull over. You saw me go down there to get it, and this is it. This is it. So yeah, it's got a full tour pannier kit. I can't wait to get out and about on it. And like, you know, like if you look at owners and stuff, so this has got the Anarchy, the Michelin Anarchy tyres. I can't remember now. I think Anarchy made by Michelin. Yeah, the Michelin Anarchies. So yeah, the old super bulletproof twin air cooled oil engine by BM. Go forever and a day. So yeah, it's an absolute cracking bit of kit. It's just got enough power. It's like, it's not going to kill you, but you can go. And the amount of torque is unreal, so even if you're loaded up, it can go where it needs to go. So yeah, it's just vicious for what it is. And if you ask me, I got this for a bit of a steal. For the price it's up. I mean, there we go, there's some budget. That's why he's been Austria, horizonsunlimited.com. I don't know if that's his thing. Little things like this. Take that off, clean up, matte black it. Yeah, forks. I mean, I'm not really too fussed about how it looks. Just give it a real good clean, ACF 50, the whole lot of it. But yeah, so here's me and Jib. How many miles you got left now? 90 miles left, so it's not bad out of 160 odd. Oh, he's also done, little thing, he's like, because of the tank issues inside and all the filter and all that, he's like, I've bypassed all that and I've put an actual inline filter there, so it helps you out in the long run. I was like, brill. So yeah, he's really looked after it. He disabled the ABS. He's like, I don't really need that. I disabled it just because of the amount of travelling I do and the kicking up sensors and all this. So I was like, alright, sweet. He's given me a plug repair kit for tyres, a big bottle of ACFs, loads of bits and bobs, to be honest. Who was that, sorry? All the original German tools, yeah, that come with it. So I mean, little sort of things, like he's got these metal whatever. But yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. Dream to ride. This visor is UV damaged though, so that needs sorting out. And just little bits and bobs need tidying up on it. But yeah, the gentleman who had it really looked after it, and you know he's a proper job kind of geezer, because he's got a Hilux full expedition set up, like proper travelling. He just got back from wherever, Southway, like he went Morocco again or somewhere like that. I don't know where he went. He was going on about it for the winter. Yes, that's what he does. That's what he's been doing, man. So yeah, peace out. Probably do a quick bit more on this video, but this is what we've got. So you'll probably see me doing an oil filter, oil change, gearbox change, oil. Had a clutch done in Spain when he had it. He didn't say it was not long ago, and he told me about checking the diff seal on it before you go on a big expo. Get the back wheel off, check that, check for movement and stuff. So these start to rot quite heavily from the back, so it's been hammer righted. And there's no rot there, under the seats all clean and stuff. But anyway, yeah, I like little things like this. The custom seats, so these are all custom seats for expedition comfort. So yeah, super over the moon with this bad boy. Not much I can do on this video apart from show you what I've got. Like I say, adios to the VRS and hello to the GS. What's that? Oh yeah, like I'm 6'2", and it fits me to a dream. Jib, what are you, Jib? 5'5", and he's got his leg over, and he just couldn't do anything. I was like, oh, there we go. So yeah, these are fucking huge, absolutely huge. But the centre of gravity is so low, so when you go into the corners, it's brilliant. No like heavy wallowing, which you'd expect from a big heavy bike. And in this like wishbone cantilever setup, when you're braking, the whole bike just stays level, which is amazing. I mean, this is, design wise, this is, I'm going to say, it's a 51 plate. I think they brought these GS ones out in 96, revised model 02, so this is probably a revised model, early set, I don't know. But yeah, just need to go clean, bring all these plastics back up. I mean, there's probably a clip missing there. But when I look after her, she'll look after me, that's the plan. So, super over the moon, and we're just coming through Booth Wells over the top of there, back this way, and we thought we'd pull over for a quick whittle, and now we're heading that way to Newport and then onwards from there. So yeah, boy, you ready, Jib? Let's rock and roll. Here's the panniers, all the bits and bobs. I need to chuck me a chain in. There's that bottle of lace here. Happy days. Give me a disc lock as well. Nice one. So yeah, boy. So as you can see from the video, we went down to Swansea to collect it and then come back up here. So that's it really. Like and subscribe, keep up to date everything I'm doing on it. Peace out. So I'm not very good at this. I'm going to keep chipping away at it though, because it's a nice little diary, isn't it?